In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an access token on Shopify. Whether you're a developer looking to integrate your application with Shopify, or a business owner wanting to unlock more features, understanding how to obtain an access token is essential. To begin, make sure you have a Shopify store set up and that you have admin access to it. If you don't have a store yet, head over to the Shopify website and follow the simple steps to get started. Once you're logged into your Shopify account, navigate to your admin dashboard. Here, you're going to be creating a private app which is necessary for generating your access token. From the admin dashboard, click on Apps, located in the left-hand menu. This section allows you to manage all the apps that integrate with your store. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you'll find an option that says Manage Private Apps. Go ahead and click on it. You might see a message prompting you to enable private app development. If you do, enable it and proceed. Creating a private app is essential for this process, as it allows you to tap into Shopify's API features. Next, you'll want to create a new private app. Click on the Create a New Private App button, typically located at the top right of the page. It's time to fill in the details required for your private app. Start by giving your app a name. This can be anything that makes sense for your use case, such as the name of your business or the functionality you want it to perform. After you've named your app, you'll be asked to provide an emergency developer email. This is crucial because Shopify will use it to contact you with any important notifications about your app. It's best to use an email you check regularly. Moving forward, you'll see a section for Admin API Permissions. Here, you need to decide what level of access your app should have. If you're unsure, review the options and choose permissions that align with what your app needs to do. For instance, if you're looking to manage orders through the API, you'll want to ensure that the app has read and write access to orders. Remember, granting more permissions than necessary can pose a security risk, so always provide the least amount of access necessary for your app to function. Once you've configured the permissions, go ahead and click the Save button. Don't worry if you're prompted to confirm your choice. This is a standard security feature. After saving, you will be presented with your API key and password. But for our purpose today, scroll to find the section labeled API Credentials. Here, you'll see the API key and, more importantly, your access token. This token is essential for authenticating and interacting securely with the Shopify API. Finally, make sure you copy and store your access token in a secure place. Treat it like a password. You wouldn't want it to fall into the wrong hands. And that's it. You now have your access token, which you can use to seamlessly integrate with Shopify's platform. If you have any questions or run into issues during this process, remember that Shopify's support is always just a few clicks away. Thanks for watching, and happy developing!